Hello students, good evening. Now I'll explain you trigonometry 3 topic. Trigonometric ratios for specific angles. So last class I explained you when theta is 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. What are the values of sine, cos, tan and reciprocals? So just you keep in mind that sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. And cos 0 is just the reverse of this all. See, sine 0 and cos 90 are equal. Now cos 0 and sine 90 are equal. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. And tan, what is tan? It is a ratio of sine by cos. So 0 by 1 means 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 means 1, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 means root 3, and 1 by 0 is infinite, it does not exist. Now what are cosecant, secant and cot? These are reciprocals of sine, cos and tan respectively. Now cosecant 0 is 1 by sine 0, 1 by 0, that is infinite. Cosecant 30 is 1 by sine 30 means 1 by root, that is 2. These are the reciprocals of sine. Cosecant 45 is root 2 by 1, reciprocal of sine. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 is 1 by 1 means 1. Similarly, secant and cot values we obtain by reciprocal of cos and tan. Now let us solve one example sum. In a triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle, XZ is 17 centimeter, YZ is 15 centimeter. Then find sin x, cos x and tan x. Draw corresponding figure to the given sum. In triangle XYZ, we have given right angle is at Y, XZ is given 17, YZ is given 15. So you find XY by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? XZ square is equal to XY square plus YZ square. So we will get xz square is xy square plus yz square. We have to get xy square value. So xy square is equal to xz square minus yz square. So what is xz square? Xz square is 17 square minus and yz square is 15 square. This is 289 minus 15 square is 225. So you'll get this value as 64 and xy is nothing but root of 64. The value is 8. Get xy value as 8 centimeter. Now we have to get sin x value. So what is sin x? For x angle x, yz is opposite side, xz is adjacent side and xz is hypotenuse. So sin x is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? Opposite is yz divided by xz. So you'll get yz is 15 divided by xz is 17. And we have to get cos x value. What is cos x? Cos x is adjacent by hypotenuse. So observe the figure. Opposite adjacent is 8 divided by hypotenuse is 17. So 8 divided by 17 and tan x is equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is, you observe here, opposite 15 divided by adjacent is 8. 15 divided by 8. So this is tan x value. Now one more sum. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C. BC plus CA is 23. BC minus CA is 7 centimeter. Find sin A and tan B. So we have given a right angle triangle ABC. Right angle is at C. So you observe here we have given right angle is at C. AB is hypotenuse. Now what is given, you observe. See the solution part. We have given BC plus CA is equal to 23 and BC minus CA is given 7 centimeter. So by simplifying minus CA and plus CA will get cancelled. We'll get 2BC is equal to 23 plus 7 means 30. So we'll get BC is 30 divided by 2, that is 15. Now you find CA by replacing any one of the equation. So I will take the first equation ma. BC plus CA is equal to 23. So BC is 15 as we got previously 15 and CA we don't know, equal to 23. CA is equal to transpose plus 15 to RHS. It becomes minus 15. CA is equal to 8. Now what we have to find? So we got here BC 15. BC is 15. CA is 8. Now what is AB? Again by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is AC square plus CB square. AC square is 8 square and CB square is 15 square. By simplifying, we will get 289 and its root is 17. Therefore, hypotenuse will get 17. Now, what we have to get? We have to get sin A. You observe here sin A. By using at a point A, BC is opposite and AB is hypotenuse. So, opposite by hypotenuse means 15 divided by 17. Sin A value is 15 by 17. And also we have to find the next one is tan B. Tan B is nothing but for B, angle B. For B, this AC will become opposite and adjacent BC becomes adjacent. So it is nothing but 8 divided by 15. 8 by 15 it is tan B value. Students, I will stop this class here. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Share it. Thank you.